Good morning, year five. Okay, I'm going to try a different style of video today, so please let me know which ones you prefer. Maybe we can do a mixture of both depending on how the PowerPoint is looking. So today we're looking at converting units of time. Right, our first slide, the introduction slide, it says you need to draw a line to match each unit of time to the correct answer. How many minutes in an hour? How many hours in a day? How many days in a week? How many days in a fortnight? So we need to understand what a fortnight means, how many days in a year, a non-leap year, and how many months in a year. So I could get us started here. We could go days in a week. I know that there are 7 days in a week, so you'd need to join those up. You need to work through the rest. Okay, the first very fluency question is match the equivalent times. We're working in seconds and we're working in minutes. So I've given you the conversion up here, where there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, in case anybody didn't know. First things first, what I'd probably do is repeated addition. Let's write our 60 times table down. But obviously we don't need to know our 60 times table, we just need to add 60 every time. So 60 adds 60. Well, I'm not quite sure what that is, but I know that 6 adds 6 is 12. And they're both 10 times bigger, so let's times it by 10. 60 add 60 is 120. 60 add 120 is 180. And so on and so on. So that would be 1 minute. That's 2 minutes. That's 3 minutes, etc. And you just keep on going. So it says here how many seconds to the minute. So we know, I've actually written down 180 seconds. 180 seconds, and next to it is number 3. So 180 seconds is 3 minutes. And if you keep going like that, you'll be able to get all of these quite easily. Okay, so moving on to the next slide. True or false? 8 weeks is the equivalent of 54 days. Now, I've given you that there's 7 days in a week. We should already know that anyway. 7 days in a week, and we've got 8 weeks. So we're going to do 8 weeks. I'm not very good at this, just bear with me. So 8 weeks times 8 lots of 1 week, and how many days are there in 1 week? There are 7 days. So 8 times 7 equals, I don't know, times tables, that's for you to work out. Again, if not, just write down your 7 times table and get to 8 lots of 7 or 7 lots of 8 if you write down 8 times table. Does that equal 54 days, true or false? And just put the right answer down if it is false. Good, so now we're on to the very fluency 3. Complete the statement below. 720 minutes is equal to how many hours? This is equal to A, B, or C. So I've given 60 minutes is equal, that's a bit weird, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So what we could do is 720 divided by 60, because that would give us how many hours there are. Or again, we could just write 60, then 120, then 180, so you could continue where you left off from the question before. Or if you know what 10 hours is equal to in minutes, maybe that's your starting point. So there's various different ways of answering this question. Some of you might just know it, okay, which is great. Also, if you don't know it, work it out, but be methodical, okay, and logical, and we will get to the right answer. I'm going to dismiss this one here straight away for you. 20 hours and 12 minutes. Why am I dismissing that straight away? Is because of the 12 minutes ends in 2. Over here, we do not end in the 2, we end in a 0. Okay, so you could be looking for little hints like this that then we could say no to B. So then it's 50-50 between A and C. Don't have a guess though, work it out because we could all work this one out. Okay, sort these times into ascending order. We've got 2 years, 14 months, 1 year and 4 months, and 26 months. Okay, I'm still getting used to seeing my hair as pink on the camera. In ascending order, I'm actually not going to give you what this word means. We've done this so much already this year, you should know it. I'll give you a hint. You ascend stairs, so maybe that will help some of you. You need to put them from left to right in ascending order. So you can work that one out for yourselves. Problem solving 1. Now this is the only one that, the last one that I'm going to give you a bit of help on here. So arrange these cards into the correct number sentence using both symbols. Find all the possibilities. We've got the greater than symbol and we've got the less than symbol. So this number on the left is greater than the number on the right. This number on the left is less than the number on the right. So we're in minutes, we're in hours and minutes, and we're in minutes. So a logical start would be turning 5 hours and 30 minutes into minutes. We know that each hour there are 60 minutes, as I've given you at the top here. You need to work out what 5 hours is. So you need to work out what 5 hours is in minutes, then add another 30 on and work this one out. So for example, this is not the answer, this is just randomly that I'm going to use. I'm going to say 340 mins. Okay, I'm not going to write mins because I'm really struggling to even get numbers in. Is greater than 365 minutes. But also 365 is less than 5 hours. 5 hours. That doesn't really look like hours, but you know what it means. 5 hours and 30 minutes, or your conversion. Okay, so that's what yours is going to look something like that, but obviously it's going to be correct. Okay, so have a really good go with today's work. I think we'll get there. Just work slowly through it and make sure you're showing all your workings, as that will help with your accuracy. Awesome stuff. Have a good go.